Hello, I'm Dr. Michael J. Duckett. Welcome to our health series. Today we're beginning with a topic that many people overlook, yet it affects nearly every aspect of daily life in posture. The first book in this series is Power of Good Body Posture. Look more beautiful, intelligent, and healthy. When most people hear the word posture, they simply think about standing up straight. But posture is much more than that. It influences your health, your appearance, your confidence, your energy, and even the way other people perceive you. Long before you say a single word, people notice how you stand, how you walk, and how you carry yourself. Your posture quietly communicates whether you appear confident or uncertain, energetic or tired, healthy or unhealthy. What's even more fascinating is that posture doesn't only affect how others see you, it also influences how you see yourself. Research has shown that our physical state and our mental state are closely connected. When people feel discouraged or defeated, they often slump forward, their shoulders round, and their head drops. When they feel confident and motivated, they naturally stand taller, breathe more deeply, and move with greater purpose. The relationship works both ways. Just as your emotions influence your posture can also influence your emotions. That's one reason why improving posture can have such a positive effect on your overall well-being. Unfortunately, modern lifestyles are creating a posture epidemic. Many people spend hours looking down at phones, sitting at computers, driving, or watching screens. Day after day, these habits place stress on the spine, muscles, and joints. Over time, poor posture can contribute to discomfort, reduced mobility, fatigue, shallow breathing, and a loss of confidence. Many people assume these changes are simply part of getting older, but much of this decline is preventable. In Power of Good Body Posture, I explain how posture affects your health, movement, breathing, confidence, appearance, and overall quality of life. Good posture is not about looking perfect. It's about allowing your body to function the way it was designed. Better posture helps you breathe more efficiently, reduces unnecessary strain on your muscles and joints, improves balance and movement, and helps you project confidence to the world around you. Imagine walking into every room feeling stronger and more self-assured. Imagine looking more energetic and reducing physical stress. These benefits begin with awareness. Most people never think about posture until pain or discomfort appears. By then, years of habits have already taken their toll. The encouraging news is that small changes can make a significant difference. When you begin paying attention to how you sit, stand, walk, and move, those small improvements gradually become lasting habits. And over time, those habits can produce meaningful improvements in your health and quality of life. Throughout this health series, you'll hear one message again and again. Small habits create big results. Posture is one of the best examples of that principle. That's why I chose to begin this series with this book. Before discussing exercise, sleep, stress management, memory, or longevity, it makes sense to begin with the foundation: how you carry your body every single day. If you've never thought much about posture, I encourage you to read Power of Good Body Posture. You may be surprised to discover how much influence this one simple habit has over your health, confidence, and appearance. Sometimes the smallest changes produce the biggest results. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll join me throughout this health series as we explore practical ways to live a healthier life. Get your copy of Power of Good Body Posture. Look more beautiful, intelligent, and healthy today.